Now it's time to create our own widget. Let's click on Explorer, right click on Lib Directory, click on New File and name the file home.dart. Now let's create a Dart class here and name the class home and let the home class extend the stateless widget. Well, there are two kinds of widgets in Flutter, stateless and stateful widget. We will discuss about its details later. Well, we can see a red squiggly on stateless widget. Let's hover over on stateless widget. It says undefined class stateless widget. Class can only extend other classes. It is because we did not import the package library where the stateless widget is written. Well, let's click on yellow bulb to get some suggestions about which package it belongs to. We can see three suggestions, but we will import material.dart package. Now we can see red squiggly on home class. Let's hover over it. It says missing concrete implementation of stateless widget.build. Now let's click on yellow bulb to get some help. Click on create one missing overrides. The error is gone. Well, we will know details about extending a class and overriding a method later in diving into Dart Advanced. Now let's go to main.dart file, select and cart the center widget, go back to home.dart file again and return it. Now save home.dart file, go back to main.dart file and call the home widget here in run app method. We can see already squiggly here. Let's hover over it. It says the function home is undefined because we did not import our home widget here in main.dart file. Instead of getting suggestions and taking help from Visual Studio Code, this time we will import the statement manually. So let's import our home widget in our main.dart file. Well, there are two ways to write import statements. If the package or library exists in your project, then simply write the directory name and the file name with extension. Say, if our home widget is inside a directory named widgets, then our import statement will be the directory name and our widget file name with extension. As our home widget exists directly in the lib directory, so we will just write the file name with extension. All the red squiggly is gone. Let's save it, stop debugging, click on debug icon and click on play button again. Great, we have successfully created and integrated our first widget.